September 11th, 2001. It's a day which we remember those who lost their lives. We also thank the brave men and women who helped others. A group of people committed a terrible act and flew planes into the Twin Towers, Pentagon, and a field in Pennsylvania. About 2,000 people lost their lives that day. Brave men and women called first responders stepped up and tried to save as many people as they could. They are police, firefighters, and paramedics. Mr. Rogers' mother told him when he was young, "Look for the helpers. You will always find people who are helping." Today, we thank those who are first responders for their efforts to serve their community in an emergency. Thank you for all that you do for our community.